Today I present to you a new video, and in this video we will discuss an important topic of Forex, and its name is account type. Many people have heard about account type. When we go to open an account in a broker, we have to select the account type. Every broker has different type of account such as ICM account, raw spread account, cent, standard and zero account. But seeing this, many people get confused which one should be selected or which account should be used. So today we came up with a video on this topic, and in this video we will discuss how many type of account, what kind of account type to use or which is best for us. That means we will discuss each account in detail so that you can easily understand which type is best for you. So those who don't know about this or who are confused must watch the video patiently till the end so that you can understand which account should be used. And of course, don't forget to like and comment on this video because we make every video just for you. So when you do like and comment, we get inspired to do something better. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. In Forex, every broker has a different type of account such as demo account, cent account, standard account, ICM account, etc. There are also a few more type of account. It's given under different name in different broker house. So today we will talk about some of the main account. So let's talk about the demo account at the beginning. First of all, there are two type of Forex account. One is real account and the other one is demo account. You don't have to deposit any dollar in the demo account. The broker will give you a virtual dollar. With them, you can only practice to increase your skill or to learn Forex. When you become a skillful trader by practicing in the demo account, then you can come to real trading. Every trader has to use demo account because in the beginning everyone is inexperienced and doesn't have much idea about Forex. So to learn Forex, you need to do demo trading to master different type of strategy and different type of analysis. Demo account has a certain amount of virtual dollar. It can be different amount depending on the broker. Again, in many broker you can take a virtual dollar as you wish, such as $100, $1,000 or $5,000. Then what will remain after that is real trading. To do real trading, you have to open a real account. To do real trading, you have to verify your account first. But to do demo trading, you don't have to verify your account. In real trading, apply what you have learned through demo trading. In real trading, you have to deposit, and if you can increase this deposit amount by applying your skill, then you can make profit. And if you can't apply your skill in real trading, then you will face loss. There is only one demo account, but there are many types of real account that I mentioned at the beginning, and you may have seen when opening an account. Each account has its own benefit. For example, the first of the real account that we will mention is the cent account. If you are a new real trader, you can use a cent account because here you can start real trading with a little capital, and if you face loss, then your loss will be very less. Moreover, you can start your trading by depositing a very small amount in the cent account, and at least you can deposit just $1. Yes, we have uploaded a video on our channel about this topic, so those who want to do cent account can watch this video. Moreover, almost all brokers have the facilities of cent account. A minimum of $1 can be deposited in a broker. It depends on broker. Some broker allow deposit just $1 and some broker allow minimum deposit $5 in cent account. Since the first real trading has a lot of risk, you can check yourself in a cent account without having a deposit a large amount in cent account. This account is especially good for those who are thinking of doing new real trading and have never done real trading before. And we always suggest it for newcomers because here you can easily overcome the fears and anxieties of the new real trading by depositing a very small amount. If you lose it, your loss will be less. Since the risk in the first real trading is higher due to being inexperienced, you can be experienced by doing real trading in cent account with very small deposit. Then there is the ICM account. Before that, let me say one thing, that those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's see. So next account is ICM account. You can trade very well in this account. The spread in this account is very low. The minimum deposit amount in this account varies broker to broker, less than any broker or more than any broker. Again, the name is little bit different. For example, the name of this account in XNext broker house is raw spread account, and a minimum deposit amount is $200. Again, trading can be started with less at other broker. This means that the deposit amount varies from one broker to other broker. Again, there are occasional difference in the case of leverage. That means leverage deposit amount varies broker to broker, but ultimately all the advantage of an ICM account are that you can trade at a very low spread here. There will be less commission from you and more benefit, but the minimum deposit amount is $200. So this is the best account for any trader. If you want to do trading in a good account, the ICM account is best for you. Now we will discuss about standard account. Many brokers have standard account. Most broker has a spread of 1 pips here. For example, 1 pips spread in XM broker house and 0.3 pips spread in XNext broker house. The deposit amount varies with the broker and you don't have to pay much fee and commission here, and leverage can be taken more. In other words, different broker pays more leverage on this account. Then there is the micro account. Here the spread is little bit high, such as 3 pips spread on micro account in FBS broker house. There is no commission. Then you can take leverage up to 1:3,000 and a minimum deposit amount of $200. Moreover, there are several other type of account, but the facilities of different type of account is bit different. So before you do the account, you have to check this thing, which account is best or suitable for you. Moreover, if you don't understand which account is good for you, then let us know by commenting on which broker you want to trade, and we will let you know which account is best in that broker. If you comment by writing XNext broker, then we will suggest you which account is best in XNext broker house. So don't forget to comment in the comment box by writing your broker name. Then we will suggest you which account is best in your broker. So this is our video. Hopefully you can understand our video, and hopefully after watching today's video you will not have any confusion about account type. So if you are a new trader, definitely use sent account, and if you are a little bit experienced trader, you should use ICM account, and if you are an unexpert trader, definitely you do demo trading. So this is today's video.
And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.